what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fun tune on acoustic guitar. Ain't Nobody by Chaka, everybody. So, the original version is, you know, very funky. It's very heavy on electric guitar and stuff like that. But this is just a breakdown how we can do it on acoustic and sing it. So let's go. This is gonna be fun, and it's not very hard when it comes to the chords either. E minor. Let's go. 1, 2 to D. 1, 2, 3. And then C to D. Pre-chorus, get a B7, D first, A second, G second, to C, just play D there, so B7, C, D, E minor, and then we have that walk up, which is E minor, G, A minor, B, and then Ain't Nobody. That's E minor, D, A minor, C, pre-chorus, B7, C, D, E minor, and D, walk up, E, G, A, B, nobody, and then we have the bridge, which is pretty much E minor to D, A minor to C, but to switch it up a little bit, we can play this E minor. So that's 7, A, 5D, 7, G, like a jazz E minor. I got this D major, looks like a C. 1, 2, 3. Then A minor, C. However long that is. Awesome. It's fun when you can make songs like this work on the acoustic guitar and sing it. Alright, thanks folks for tuning in. Have fun with this. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe.